most of the day. It's been raining, but it stopped long enough to check on this one. It's calling for cooling inside, air handlers running, but nothing out here. I hear what sounds like the contactor humming. Let's see if it's all right. It's getting 24 volts. I got no power. Let's see if I can show you. See, it's calling. No power. Alright, we may have had something trip a breaker. So let's go here and see if we got we're going to go to the ground lug. Can you see that? That's 9.3 mega ohms. 9.3 mega ohms. Let's see, we got common, start, and run. See if I can do this where you can see it. All right. My past experiences are telling me to clean a spot right there. First, we're going to test from here to here. I got nothing. 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 Now it's showing 800 kilo ohms. Let me finish ohming out this compressor. Common to start. 2.2 ohms. Common to run. Nope. Looks like a 0.7. So run the start, we should have something like 3. .6. It's not perfect, but it should run. And by the way, on these compressors, these lugs normally come in 2 different variations, 2 on top and 1 on bottom, like this one. And that's common start and then run on bottom. And sometimes it has 1 on top and 2 on bottom, and that's common start run. But you can always look in here and find out. Alright, we're testing from the ground lug can you see that? 780 kilo ohms. I'm gonna try something real quick. Now let's ohm it to ground, because I'm still showing 9 mega ohms. 9 mega ohms. 9 mega ohms to ground. All right. That right there is showing me 400 kilo ohms to ground, and it's disconnected. You see what I'm testing? That's my power lead. 400 kilo ohms. That one's 1.5 mega ohms. I need to look in that disconnect. This is supposed to be turned off. Not sure I'm gonna be able to get this. We're ohming the ground. I got nothing. 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 Let's check for continuity in this wire. So we're gonna swap this to that. Alright, that's my white wire. I got continuity. Black wire. I got continuity. I'm just not understanding how I got ohms to ground. Okay, now I'm showing nothing. And now I'm showing nothing. Nothing. Do I have it on hold or something? Nothing. $680 kilo ohms to ground. There's a fried, looks like a lizard back there. That shouldn't have tripped a breaker. Alright, those are not touching. Alright, let's see if we still got kilo ohms to ground. Nothing. Alright. Sounds like that condenser fan motor was giving me my kilo ohms to ground. But I'll be honest, I have never seen, well, rarely have I seen a condenser fan motor trip a breaker. We're fixing to go look for the breaker and reset this. You see which one's tripped? The 70 amp. All right. Some hawks. Okay, now I got 240. Before I hook these back up. Nothing. Okay. That was a 70 amp breaker. Should not have tripped. Like I said, it's a 70 amp breaker. Oh, at 19 amps. .2 for the compressor. That seems a little high. See this thermostat wire? Oh. That's cooler. I think we need to take a trip in there and look at that breaker. is that breaker. It's live right now. That's tight. Oh, that was loose. That breaker panel was full. Oh, that looks good. I think it was just a loose connection. Oh, that's hot. Holy smokes. Yep. That's what it was, a loose connection. That's got to be it. I ain't so certain it's just gonna be a loose connection. That wire's hot. It's about what I measured outside. I'm gonna assume that's aluminum, but a 70 amp breaker. Alright, so I recommended to this homeowner that we replace that breaker because I was afraid if something shorted outside, a 70 amp breaker might not trip and it could start a fire. So I recommended to her that we replace the breaker. I had to go get it and I'm on my way back over there to replace it. I'll bring you along. I happen to know now that an electrician did that right there. Should have known better and put a 70 amp breaker on a condenser. I had to get this at my shop because it's after hours. I just happened to have one and I knew I did. And that right there, I don't know, is that number 6? I'm not sure. Yeah. All right, let's tighten those up a little bit. Once I get it in place, I'll tighten them up some more. I just don't want this to fall out while I'm... Looks like most of those are GE breakers. All right. I feel much better about that. All right. All right, I know that was a long trip around for a breaker, but we found the problem and we may have prevented a more serious problem.